Yeah. Yeah, that's good. It's been a long day. What's kicking y'all? Kwikpanik here. And I'm back in gear, don't you have no fear. Today's episode is so ridiculously Funko Pop flavored that I can't even explain it with words. I have so many boxes. I don't know how many episodes this is going to be. Maybe I'll break it into two. Who knows? NYCC 2019 happened. I didn't go because I was in a different country. So that was a really good time. But while I was away, a lot of stuff came out. Some of my NYCC stuff came in. So I think I'm going to make two videos. One for all the stuff that came in while I was away. And then one for all my NYCC 2019 stuff. I'm still waiting on Funko Shop, Hot Topic. Is that it? Funko Shop, Hot Topic, and Target. That's all I'm waiting for. So once those come in, I will make a recording for the NYCC 2019 stuff. There's also a bunch of stuff that just came out. I'm going to just grab things. The stack, it's unreal, of stuff that I missed while I was gone. I was only gone for 11 days. But let's go over the stuff that is non-NYCC that came out or came in while I was away. So, first one. Boom! 10-inch Squirtle. You can see the rest of them are up there. It might not focus, but I have all the other Pokemon that have come out in 10-inch form, so why not? I'm going to have to move this. Squirtle! Okay, like, this is probably... I've chosen Squirtle maybe like 3 times in my playthroughs. I'm a Bulbasaur man. Just to be honest. Hashtag Bulbasaur in the comments. Actually, just hashtag your favorite of the Kanto starter Pokemon, which are the Pokemon that you got to choose in red, blue, or green version if you're in Japan, as your starter Pokemon. So let me know, comment section. First question, why are you not focusing on Squirtle? Look at him, he's beautiful! So yeah, this is really cool. I wanted to pick up an NYCC sticker version, which they had at NYCC, but I really wanted to pick him up, and I was gone for so long that I wanted to hunt Pops when I came back to the States, so I went and picked him up. He's really freaking adorable. Honestly, he might be the best Pokemon that they've made as far as design goes. No, I love Bulbasaur too much. Bulbasaur still wins. Okay, continuing. Let's do Pokemon again. This came from the Pokemon Center, and I've made so many videos about just Pops in general. You probably already know where this is going. This is the Day with Pokemon, I think that's called. I don't even know what it's called, but they're vinyl Pokemon figures. They've all been Pikachu so far. Mine is smashed on the top, and that makes me very sad. But this is Pikachu with Pumpkaboo. And Pumpkaboo is a pumpkin-looking Pokemon, and he is grass and ghost type. And he looks freaking adorable. Look at this smash. Look at this. Why, Pokemon Center? I'm going to send them an email. That makes me really sad. But I was super excited about this because the Pikachu vinyls that they've been making, I've gotten all of them so far. Over here, nope, you definitely can't see those. But I've gotten all of them so far, and this is the first one with an entire Pokemon, right? Oh, we had Flabebe. Okay, we've had Flabebe, but this is the first real Pokemon. Why are you not focusing? Get on me. Get on me. There we go. This is second real Pokemon that they've added to the Pikachu. So it looks great. They actually just announced the it's like, I don't know, it has pumpkin pie and a cookie in it. It looks good. So that's the next Pikachu we're getting. Coming up, this actually might be mislabeled, but I had some pre-orders at GameStop, and somehow I ended up with 2. Okay, so this one's correct. This is Jon Snow. I actually didn't have a Jon Snow pop other than the one where he's riding Rhaegal, and I wanted one just because I like his character. I like his moral fiber, so I wanted to pick up one of him. I don't collect a whole lot of Game of Thrones. I have Arya, I have Jon Snow, and I have a metallic Night King, and then everybody riding the dragons, which is Daenerys and Jon Snow and Night King. So, oh, and Ghost, the best character in the whole show, duh. So there's Snow, Mr. Jon Snow, and then this came out at GameStop while I was away as well. This is not Jon Snow. despite what the box says, we finally completed, hold on, after a long time coming, we completed the X-Men, the classic 80th anniversary is correct. You can do it, Kwikpanik. But Cyclops, so he looks really good. He probably looks the most like his actual character, though Angel is also good. Yeah, so there's Cyclops. That's pretty cool. We've completed the 80th anniversary X-Men set, so that's exciting. Now we just have Fantastic Four, which was just announced, to collect as well. Moving on, this is a mystery mini that I purchased. I've been looking, I think this is probably my most sought after mystery mini, though there's 2 more in this set, and then I'll have the portion of the set that I want complete. It's the Warner Brothers set, and Looney Tunes was mixed with a couple of other cartoons, and Walgreens had some exclusives, which were Wile E. Coyote and Pepe Le Pew, as well as this one. I never found a Walgreens that had them in stock, so I couldn't even purchase them to have a chance at this mini. But this is one of my favorite. When I think of Looney Tunes and like my favorite memories, it's Wile E. Coyote and Roadrunner. So we have here Roadrunner. I think it was like 1 in 36. There we go. Oh yeah, here he comes. So there is Roadrunner. Oh my gosh, he looks so good. I wish they would make this into a pop, like a 2-pack with Roadrunner and Wile E. Coyote. Like, wait, you can stand. I believe in you. There we go. Look at that. That would make a good pop. That would make a very good pop. So if you didn't answer the Pokemon question because you don't like Pokemon, tell me what your favorite Looney Tune cartoon was in the comment section. That'd be pretty cool. Next up, this is from Arconia. Woo! Sorry, they all have my address on, and I'm trying not to show them. Why is this not focusing on my face correctly? There we go. Oh my goodness. That's a problem and a half. I came home, and I hadn't recorded in so long that I had to change the settings on my camera, and I think I bunked it up. I really did. So I apologize. I'll try to edit it out. I don't know. Who knows? This is going to be a beautiful pop. I'm excited. Delivery note. Not know what that's about, but I'm going to toss that. Goodbye. And this is from Archonia. This is Arconia? Archonia? It's Archonia. And this is where I get all of my AAA anime exclusive pops. And this is Himiko Toga. And she is a villain from My Hero Academia. I got it with the nice protector. And you'll see that I have a couple other My Hero Academia pops that are in this haul. But she looks great, man. She was a little bit creepy. Like, if you watch the show, she literally wants your blood. That's terrifying to me. So I was pretty excited about this pop, and this was AAA anime exclusive. It's kind of it's weird because we didn't have these exclusives. AAA, I've never heard of that until I think it was like Super Saiyan Gogeta or something like that. I can't remember. But anyway, they started having these pops, but it's exclusive to other anime shops, including this one. Next up, this is from Funko. Changing speeds here real quick. I'm so sorry about the focusing. This is not going to be beautiful for my face, but it's okay. You're here for the pops, right? You're here for the pops. Kwikpanik will figure out his focusing some other time. So there were three Funko Shop orders that came in while I was away. This one, let's see. Okay, this one's really cool. So they started the mythical creatures or myths line with Bigfoot. And we got our second technical entry into the line, which is the Loch Ness Monster, which I freaking love. If you're ever bored, just go online and watch YouTube videos about theories for mythical monsters. So myths, that's the line. And look, he's got some seaweed in his mouth. He's having a good day. Yeah, that's a good pop. I'm really happy with that. I wish they would do like Chupacabra or something. Are you listening, Funko? Chupacabra next, okay? Next up. Let's switch gears again. This is from Hot Topic, and I went to go pick this up today. I thought I had pre-ordered it, but I was incorrect. And this is Tokoyami. who is a character from My Hero Academia. He's one of the students, and he's very cool. He has a bird head, which is kind of weird. He sounds like Yugi Muto. He sounds like Dane Green, and then he also has Dark Shadow, which is a being that lives inside of him, and he gets kind of crazy in one of the episodes. But the pop looks amazing, and I was really happy to pick him up. So that goes in with my Hero collection. Continuing with that, I picked this one up at Box Lunch, and we have Yayorozu. I've never called her Momo, but the person that I called at Box Lunch to see if they had her in stock was like, yeah, we have Momo. And I was like, I don't know what Momo means. But anyway, that's her first name apparently. But she's very cool, and she's a little bit scandalous. Funko, calm down. I think Power Girl was the first one that they made where it's a little bit chesty. That's a good way to say it. And the last one that I got from the new My Hero Academia wave, excluding the exclusives, was Kirishima. And he looks really good. It's a solid mold. They did a really good job on the paint. And, man, this set is going to make me broke. This Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh!, Dragon Ball Z. Okay, everything's making me broke. Funko, you're making me broke. Stop. Let's continue on. This one's from Galactic Toys, and this one's actually a My Hero Academia pop as well, if I'm correct. I should be correct. This was another exclusive, and this should be a villain, if I'm remembering correctly. And I think we have one more that will be coming in at a later date. I ordered this with the Protector, which we got. Anytime you can order with the Protector, highly recommend it, because damage pops are no fun. Nobody likes damage pops. So, we just destroyed the camera here a couple times. We got Shigaraki, which is, I guess he's like the main villain. No. All for One is the main villain. But this is like the backup villain that's going on throughout the entire series. This is Shigaraki, and he has a bunch of hands on his face and all over his body. I was wondering how they do this in pop form, but it actually looks pretty good. Though, I gotta say, the hands being different sizes is a little weird. I don't know. I'm just excited that they're doing villains now, because the first wave, and it might have been the first two waves, were just a bunch of heroes. So now that we have some villains, and there's some other villains that I'm getting in the mail here with the NYCC haul. So if you enjoy My Hero, more of that is coming. Next up, we got ourselves another Funko Shop haul. These keep coming in Bort. I'm telling you, man, it made me really sad because I got a pop while I was in Europe, and I had to keep it in my backpack. And despite getting a protector for it, it didn't survive the trip. So I think I'm going to get a replacement for it. It was really cool because it had the European exclusive sticker, which is like red and silver. Oh, yeah. Funko Shop did a good job. So it came in one of these shippers, which was really nice. And what? This focusing thing is going to drive me insane. This is another ad icon. Okay, good thing I guessed it correctly. This is a treat, a delicious treat that, in addition to Twinkies, I ate in my youth. And that was why Kwikpanik was very chubby in his youth. But this is Captain Cupcake. And he's a hostess. Yes, hostess ad icon. And he's delicious. I would eat him. Look at that. Look at it. It's delicious. Why wouldn't you eat that? You would definitely eat that. Don't lie to me. So I'm going to add this to my ad icon collection. I'm finding that the ad icon collection is getting a little big, and it's kind of hard to keep up with, but there's certain things that I really love, like cereal and other sweet things. So every time an ad icon comes out for that, I'm like, I need that. But other ones, I'm like, I can hold off. So let's see what's next. This. Speaking of Funko Shop and speaking of ad icons, look how big this is. Look at it. This is, you probably know what this is, and we'll probably just do the top. We'll try to, top camera. Keep an eye on my face, even though it doesn't focus. What? Stop focusing on the background. I'm just as cool as my Pokemon, okay? This. Oh my gosh. Look at this shipper. You should know what this is. There was a 10-inch pop that recently came out on Funko Shop, and it rocked my world because this is my favorite ad icon. 100%. Hands down. Oh yeah. This is going to be good. Come on out. Come on out, buddy. You can make it. This 10-inch pop is more than good. It's great. This is Tony the Tiger. Get back in there, close. Tony the Tiger 10-inch pop. This pop is insanely expensive when you try to get it in at the regular size. Let me see if I can get it on the camera real quick. But this is a great looking pop, and I'm excited about it. So here we go. Here's Tony the Tiger in all of his 10-inch pop glory. This is the second ad icon that they've made in 10-inch form, along with Bullseye from Target. So I'm really excited that he came out. My favorite ad icon. Woo! Can't wait to add him to the collection. We have hit what I feel comfortable as a time limit for my videos, so I will continue the rest on the next episode. Hope you enjoyed the content. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I bring Funko Pop content all the time. That is all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.